Hello KSRP members. So today we are going to be making our own bot, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, and also don't forget to actually like, subscribe, and comment. This is our new stuff. I used to be a person that posted cars and stuff and random stuff, as you can see. But since my game is coming out soon on December the 5th, I am getting ready. We are a 79 member server, so you'll see people leaving, joining, and here's one of our bots, and our other bot is up here. These bots are very easy and free to make. Actually, you can add them to different servers. You can name them as much as you want. And plus here, this is my first bot to be actually made. My second bot to be made is this one. So I guess let's start, cause see, look, it shows you like that's what's sick. So you can look at your own bots. You can customize. You said like you made it and stuff. It's pretty free to do. Also our Discord server. So if you want to check that out, come join. The invite links in our thing. So it's free to join. Just have to follow stuff. We do range transfers. We're hiring staff. Enough of the yapping. We're gonna go ahead and actually start. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is you're gonna grab your application thing, and what you're gonna type in is discord.com developer applications, aka Discord developers patrol or portal. And when you join, you're going to join to here. You're going to see dev, you're going to see applications, teams, servers, and stuff. What you're going to do is you're going to click new application, and we're going to do a random application. So like, let's do a test. You're going to do those two things, and then you will have to say yes, you are a human. So it will load, and after it loads, you have this. I am actually going to go back to my others because, well, I have them set up anyway. So let's go back here. We're going to use one of these actual bots. We're going to use this one. So you will come here and you'll see all this. This is a 2025 version of it. You should have all these stuff, and you should be on general information. You can do this, you can do whatever you want with it. I'm not going to judge you. Choose your own picture. Don't copyright people's. This picture I actually made myself. Don't do anything here. You'll see this say 0 servers. That's wrong. You refresh it, it should be there. We'll change it to black so people can see a little better. So what you're going to do is look at this stuff. You're going to look at everything first. You're going to check everything. Make sure everything looks like it's there. So the app testers, here's my friend. He's over here. We got this, like backgrounds and everything. We can join. We can do everything. And let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to bot. You're going to do your icon, your banner is optional. Then your name. You're going to use that. You're going to turn these three things on right here, and then you're going to click add administrator, and then you're going to save it like that. So after you do that, you're going to come back to here, then you're going to come right here to it says bot, and then you're going to scroll down where it says administrator again. You're going to copy this. What also helps is before you even do that, what you're going to do is, let me find this. Sorry, I gotta find this real quick. You're going to use reset token. Yes, do it. You're going to log in, submit. Oh my god, I'm not going to show my thing. But you're going to do it, and you're going to log in fully with your account. You're going to get it, and then you're going to copy it. So after you do that, and you go back here again, and you copy your thing that's down there, you're going to come here. It says bot ghost dashboard. See, I'm already in one of my other ones right now that I'm using. So let's go here. So you're going to do everything like it says to do, and after you do everything, like pasting your the thing that you copy, you're going to paste into a shirt like the little bar. After you do that, you should be here. This is where you're going to be and stuff. If you want to buy the premium one, this is what the premium stuff has to offer. See? But I'm not going to do it because, well, just for like every single month, it's going to be crazy. So after you get here, you're going to come here and you're going to see everything. Because since your bot is already made, for example, I'm going to switch over to my favorite bot. This one's my favorite actually. This one actually works, but I have to keep setting this one up. This one fully works a lot more, but I still love it. I'll change the name on it soon. So this one's actually more set up than the others. So after you get here, you get to choose stop and everything. Make sure it wants to work or it doesn't want to work and everything. And what you're going to do is you guys are going to go to models. Well, actually, before you even go to models, go to custom commands. You might be here where command group editor. You technically don't have to do that, but see, it has these, so I advise you just to go ahead and do it. So I am going to take these. I'm going to save my changes over here. And basically it's just like, these shows like what you have, like ban, remember a member server. So this is actually a cake bot and this is a ban bot. And my best guess is you guys want to learn how to do it. So what we're going to use this is actually this ban one. Because I don't remember that much. I don't remember that much at all. So I'm actually going to let you guys copy off of here. So what you're going to do is for user is that you guys are going to go to options. So specifically right here, you're going to go options. And I'm even going first person for this. So after you guys go to options, you guys are going to go right here to user. And you're going to pop it out. And since now I'm seeing all of this, this looks like it hurts my brain really much. So after you get your user pop out, you're going to place it right here. Reason, right here. You'll find them actually over here. User. And then, well, text. The text, we'll get to that later. So, user, you're going to do this right here. Name, user, description, select a user. And then set required, that means like, if you want the people that's going to be doing it, like aka your staff, you want to do it, they're forced to do it. If you have this like turned off like that, they won't have to. Well, they mostly will and won't. Don't worry about that. I'll make sure that I have my thing saved still. Don't press this button down here. It'll delete that block. Then you have to do all the work to get it back. Now you get reason over here. It's going to be on the top. This has to be up here. Option name, reason. Down here, reason for the band. You're going to set required. Because, well, hello world, or my text in here. This doesn't let you text in here, sadly. And what you're going to do for this one, after you get those there, you're going to do /ban. And trigger, you're going to put ban, descriptions, ban a user. Show applies to all, you're going to hide it. Don't show no one. So, after I'm using my game here, you delete everyone, the @everyone role. You'll come to your server. You come here. I'll even come down to show you. So I'll be going to my server. I'll click on game staff like this. And you see our game stats right there. So now that's all there. It's already set up. Now you're going to go grab this. It's called ban a member. You go to actions. You'll scroll all the way down until, well, you find ban a member. What also helps is that they get a search bar so you can go. See? Then there's kick a member and a timeout a member. Basically, you just do these the exact same way, just for kick, ban, timeout. So, ban a user, user ID, option underscore user, reason option underscore user. This is giving people a chance to actually like say why they're getting banned. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab your embedded reply. It should pop up over here. If not, you can type it in here. It'll be in actions. You'll grab it and you hook up these dots. So here, I'll even show you. You click one dot, or you can hold it down, bring it to the other one. But here's the click one. You can click it. So you can also set it to the side, just in case you want to. But we're going to keep this one in the line just for reasons, so we can get it to easier, because it's going to be a straight line. It's going to be like clicking fast. So your embedded line you're going to grab, and then what you're going to do here on title, you're going to do band. And on the description thing, you're going to put dot dot white under mark check underscore mark dot dot space option underscore user was banned by user. I don't know these little mark things on the side. And after you do that, you can change the color how you want it. You can check everything else. For me, since I am in my server, I'm going to be using blue because it's to match, well, this. Don't put the error block in there. I'll vice get rid of that sometimes, but since it's forcible to have it in there, I say keep it. So, reply command. See, send message and everything. I didn't read all this because I'm too lazy. So send a message to the channel the command was using. You're going to set it there. Or basically what's safe to say is reply to the command is right here. I say keep it on reply command. You're going to play safe. But since it's my server, I'm going to do that. So you have to get everything over here. This is going to be very important that you must actually follow. Do not mess this part up. So you're going to click this little arrow, but first save command. You're going to save it. It's going to have a little check mark. If it's not there, if the check mark does not pop up, it's okay. Well, yeah, it is okay because we just got to change some things up. Now you're going to click this, leave builder. You're going to go back to models. You're going to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see moderation. You're going to see this little shell with the check mark and everything. But it should say moderation on it. Click it. You're going to scroll down and keep going. You're going to remove band. And if you're going to do a kick one, I'll say go ahead and add the kick thing in there. So, you know why. But after you do that, I put these in here, don't worry about it. But after you do that, you can go back here. And when you go to custom commands, and you already made groups and everything, you have these everything set up. And what we can do is we can do a timeout one too. So see, this is pop up right here. What you're going to do is just have this. Let's do time out. Definition: timeout a user. Don't show everybody. The only person that should see it is, well, the person that is doing the command. Now we're going back to game staff over here. Now I'm just showing you how to do it fully. You got this now, you're good, chilling. Now options here. You're gonna grab user, and you're gonna grab text. User. So let's just do user. And on here, well, on timeout a user. If this doesn't work, you can go back in a little bit of the video and you guys will see what else to do first before this. So text, oh wow, I gotta put this in here. So user description, why is the user being timed out for? Oops, I didn't mean to click out that. But you can choose how it goes. After you do that, you are going to go to actions and you're going to type in here timeout. Bring it over here. You're going to hook up these two. Then you're going to come over here and grab your embedded reply. dehook it from their handler, and you're gonna hook it up just like that. So go to timeout, and you're gonna do, well, the little bracket thing, user, well, actually no, hold on, I forgot how to spell for a second. So you're gonna do option underscore user bracket, but the fancy bracket. Description, well, it should be the same thing, but almost. So, I don't remember that a lot. I'm just gonna put timeout because, well, I already have stuff set up and everything. But you choose reason. So, embedded here, you're gonna go embedded reply, and you will set up everything. Here's the error message. You're gonna do timeout. Reason. Now you're gonna do blue underscore check underscore mark space fancy bracket, and you're gonna do option underscore user fancy bracket was timed out by fancy bracket user. And you don't mess with the rest of these. If you want to put something here, you can. And reply to command yes, and everything else. Now you're going to save it. It will not show, well, that, but it'll be something different. Let me see what this says. Alright. But after you do all this and stuff, it should look like at least this. But don't follow this one because, well, I just made it now. I just guessed on it fully. What I am advising you to do is when you go and look here, and at the beginning and near the video, when I show these two, like ban and remove, like aka kick, when you click on kick, you'll see here username, select a user, reason why did you kick this user and everything. It will look like this. So here's this, show you. Alright, so after you get that, you're gonna save everything. So you're gonna click save command, it should save it. And after you do that, let me get out full screen here. You're gonna click invite. This will invite your Discord bot, the brand new one you just made. Here's proof. So see, here's my account. It shows me over here. And here's the bot itself. So here's my server. I'll click here, click continue. Yes, confirming. You want to put administrator on it for a reason. So say successful. Now you go to your server, and what I'm going to do actually is I will show you to prove it that it works. So I'll open my ticket. Never mind, I don't want to open that one. So I'm just going to put bot test in my ticket. Things so slow. I don't know, my staff is in. Nope, they left the VC. So you're gonna do slash, and so, oh my god. Sorry, that's my thing earlier. So when you want the badge and stuff, you do this, and you click it, and in 24 hours, you'll get it. And it's basically the badge saying that you're active dev for Discord, but you don't get paid for it. So here's my one bot that we made. See, ban user. This person I'm going to ban because for reasons. But it might not work. It's okay if it doesn't. So inactivity activity. Enter. It won't work half the time. Never mind. It worked. So now, when people is getting on your nerves, or you're an owner of a server and it's about to get raided, you would do that. Here's my other bot that I was talking about. So here's everything you get. This is everything you don't have to worry about. Roll, add, purge, amount. I can literally just do one. I can literally check everything. See, it works. So everything in your bots will work. If, for example, like these bots over here have done the same thing, but your bot, where you did it from, actually does more things than these bots. The ticket thing, you can create tickets, you can set up panels for them, but you have to go through all that history just doing it, and it's not gonna usually work out of time. But when you get work, congratulations, you did good. So our Discord server link will be in the description below, and also the two websites that you will have to be going to will also be in here. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and also our TikTok page will show everybody our game and stuff that's gonna be coming out soon. So bye.